Welcome back to How to Make Your Home Look Expensive. Have you ever wanted that wainscot look, but you don't really know where to start?
Well, we're going to be showing you how to use peel and stick wainscoting from Amazon. And it's going to take all the woodworking, all the drilling, nailing, all the carpentry out of it. It's going to be pretty easy. So let's get to it.
Let's see it on the budget. The first step is to move furniture and decor off of the wall where you're planning on doing the molding. So we're just moving my very heavy mirror over here for now, and then we're gonna get to unboxing. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes in rolls like this. You can get different sizes depending on how big your room is. We're just gonna do a bottom border, and so I got 9 of these. That should be enough for my entire living room.
You can see the double-sided adhesive on it. You just peel that strip, but look how good that wainscoting looks. It's tough to believe that's plastic. All right, so we got this measured out the height we want with the laser level. And you can see we have it at 3 feet. That's gonna be the bottom of our top strip going all the way across the wall. Now we're just gonna start sticking.
When deciding on the measurements for your wainscoting panels, a really good rule of thumb is to do 1/3 the height of your ceiling. I have abnormally tall ceilings, so we're customizing the size a little bit, but that's a good rule of thumb to make sure that it looks even and proportional to your wall.
So we just finished measuring up where our wainscoting is gonna go, the length of pieces and everything. Now we're just gonna pre-cut and get after it. We're going to be measuring 45 degrees, cutting this angle because that's gonna make a 90-degree angle when you put the two 45s together.
Very nice.
We just finished cutting all the top and bottom pieces, and we're gonna start putting the top and bottoms on. This is the smaller edge because we did a smaller box on both ends and then 5 of the same size boxes in the middle. Now, watch us peel, stick, and put it on. As you can see, we already did the top. Now we're gonna do the bottom before we put on the sides. So we just finished the tops and bottoms, and now we're gonna hit the sides.
We have 1 piece left for this entire wall, so I'm gonna line the laser up and River's going to do the honors.
Let's go, girls.
In total, this wall cost $150. We used 5 rolls. I would suggest getting an extra roll for air purposes. It was so easy, cost effective, and brought so much character into my living room. Click the link in the description to get the Luxe Wainscot look for less, and subscribe for more videos on how to make your home look more expensive.